Hello, how are you? Welcome to my first podcast on my channel, Learn Trading with Robert. And being the first channel, um, I want to talk to you about the trading itself, or trading as an activity, because many people have seen or heard in the media or wherever, whichever media it is, or from friends that you can make a lot of money from trading. And it is easy. Anyone can do it. It is the best way to become the quickest millionaire in town. And this narrative makes me very sad because that is not what trading is. Trading is very different from what everybody says it is, or what most people tell you it is. But I do understand where they come from. Probably they want to market something for themselves. They want to become popular. They want to sell their products to you. And that has led a lot of people to believing that it is an easy task and finally end up miserable, frustrated, with huge losses and empty pockets at the end of the day. So today I just want to speak a little bit about trading and maybe help you understand some of the things that you need to know before you even venture into it. Trading, yes, is an economic activity. I don't really understand what trading or how trading helps in the overall economic output. Just playing with paper money. However, it is the basis through which our currencies are based on. It is the basis that determines the float rate of any currency or fiat, money as we know them. Um, so, and in that context, Forex trading per se is the biggest market in the world, right? Moving around $6 trillion every day because everybody is trading money from banks to institutions to central banks to individuals. So everybody is trading money and to online traders, and that makes it a very lucrative market at the end of the day, if you understand it, if you comprehend what goes on in that market. And before you even think of opening a brokerage account or funding your account and putting in your first trade, the key things that I would like you to, understand or have an idea about. One, just like any economic activity, hard work is the ultimate determinant of how successful you will be. And hard work, I mean, you need to put in a lot of hours learning and gaining knowledge because trading is about the knowledge and activity. You need to be very up to date with the market. You need to be up to date with the fundamentals, that is, the economies, the climate, the political environment, because all those things influence the price of a currency or the cost of a currency. Without that, you will not have an edge in the market because you will trade based on emotions, maybe instincts and moods, which for me will land into the ditch. So knowledge is key. All right. Learn as much as you can. Understand the market first of all. Understand the basics first. Because I see people just come into the market and put in money. They trade once or twice and they realize, oh, this thing is easy because they have made, a few coins here and there. Without forgetting that in the long term, trading works for those people who are patient and those people who have the knowledge. Okay. Number two, you need to be patient. You can't just start trading today or this week and expect to make a lot of money this week. That is not how it works. Even in business, you need to have a break-even period. Okay. a gestation period where you allow yourselves to grow, you know, and become at a level where you're comfortable. So patience is key. Trading must be done on the long term because it is very punishing if you try to trade in the short term. All right, because short term is filled with greed and the need to make money immediately, which is very uh, opposite to what trading is all about. Uh, Patience will ensure success. Patience is also key in terms of when you want to enter the market. You know, the market will always offer you very good opportunities uh, before you can get in, before you can put in a trade or wherever you can buy or sell. However, that opportunity does not occur every day. Okay, you have to wait for the market, both technicals and fundamentals, to align. All right, and trust you me, it might even be one trade in a month. Okay, it might be one trade in a day. It might be once in a week. Or it might be 10 times an hour if you're trading on 5 minutes candlestick. So you don't know, right? However, wait. The market goes up and down. The market has always been going up and down. The market will always go up and down. So do not trade like the market is going down forever. It will come up. That is the market. And those are the basics. All right. And this is a very hard thing to do, especially for beginners. Beginners cannot wait. They just can't. Oh, naturally, humans are not patient. We need things now, instant gratification. We are not made to be patient. We are made to have the need to do things now. But that can't work. It takes you years to finish your degree. You can't finish your degree in a day. So it's trading. Wait, be patient. Setups will happen, and when the setups happen, take the opportunities, and you make the money. Number two is risk management. People with very small account but wants to trade big. They want to leverage huge, and that is because they only focused on the upside. They only focused on the profits. Please note, trading is about risk management. Please, please, please protect your money because the market is not sentimental. The market will not be emotional to you. The market will always move as it moves. So if you make the bad decisions, it's up to you. Okay. So learn risk management first because it is key. Ensure that the money that you're putting online at any specific trade is is you know is okay for you to lose because you don't want to trade with the money that you can't handle if it is lost, because it can be lost, and that is why you're advised to always have a stop loss, always have a take profit, so that you are controlled. Okay, those two things ensure that you're controlled and you can only take the trades that are profitable, the trades that make sense. Secondly, uh, risk management ensures that it eliminates the aspect of greed. Remember, everybody likes money, everybody loves money. Yet today, whatever we're doing, we all love money. And actually, that is one of the major reasons why we live, why we go to school, why we go to work every day, because we want to get paid, we want to make money, right? That is why people invest. And in a capitalistic global economy, that money is the determinant of how famous you are, how loved you are, how the society takes you in a big extent. Not 100%, but the big part of it, money will, determine. So that led us to greed, and greed is part of our human nature. The only successful people are those people who know how to learn or who have learned how to control greed. And trust you me, if you are able to control greed while trading, you will be in this game for a long term. And what do I mean by controlling greed? If you make enough profit, get out. Okay? take your profit and get out, because the market will always be there tomorrow. Okay, do not want to overtrade, because what happens is that people think they have made maybe $100 and they see there's a potential of making 1,000, yet their strategy tells them to take the $100. They tend to wait, and what happens? Some news from wherever or something happens, and the market falls down, pushes you into losses, just because you could not, just because you decided to ingrain greed in your trading. So please eliminate greed, and thirdly, please trade for the long term. As I said, the markets will always move. There will always be a long term trend. Learn to be in this for a long term. Being the long term knows that you have to incur some short term gains. Even if you incur short term losses, you will learn, take the lessons with you, take the experience with you, and then you become a better trader tomorrow. People take 5 years, 6 years, 7 years to become, up to 10 years to become consistent, profitable traders. So do not be in a hurry. Learn to take your time and learn that this market rewards those people who are patient, those people who are knowledgeable, and those people who are not greedy. So thank you guys for joining in for my first podcast. I hope to see you or to hear from you later. I'll be giving you more information, and I hope this will be helpful. Please don't forget to leave your comment down there and let me know what I can talk on, and hopefully this will help you. Thank you very much. Bye.